And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the header tag. Don't mistake this for the head tag. The header tag can be used inside of the body. It's another container element and it's used for introduction content and navigation. So with this simple website that I've got here, I could, for example, nest my h1 inside of it. If I refresh it, it doesn't change anything about the format. So it's just a simple container without any effect on browser display. Normally you also have paragraphs in a header, something like this maybe. And as I've said, you can also nest your navigation inside of it. So usually the navigation is on top. So I'll just use the nav elements and create a simple navigation. The idea behind the header tag is to give your header a different styling afterwards using CSS than the rest of your content, so that the user knows that this is separate content. And most often your header looks the same on every page on your website. And that's all there is to know about the header tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.